Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, is a cloud service that lets you rent virtual computers, called EC2 instances, that you can use to run applications, host websites, process data, or do pretty much anything you would do on a physical computer. Instead of buying expensive hardware, you simply launch an instance in the cloud and pay only for what you use. In this series, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure an AWS EC2 instance from start to finish, even if you've never used AWS before. You'll learn how to choose the right AMI operating system, select the best instance type for your needs, set up storage and networking, create and use key pairs safely, configure security groups and firewalls, connect to your instance, install software and set up your server environment. By the end, you'll be able to launch and configure your own cloud server confidently, perfect for hosting websites, apps, or experimenting with cloud computing. Let us begin. Let us copy the public IP address and paste it into a web browser of your choice and test if all is working. Aha, it is working. Next step is copy data files from S3 and paste them to our EC2 web server. Please watch my video on how to create S3 buckets. Thank you for watching.